We're going to take a quick look at this Power Stop brake kit and see how it's installed. This works for both the Lexus GX 460 and a Toyota 4Runner. So it's Z23 carbon fiber brake pads with drilled and slotted brake rotors, and it's a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's braking performance. The combination of drilled and slotted rotors improves heat dissipation, reducing brake fade during heavy use. I noticed a significant difference in stopping power and pedal feel, especially when driving in hilly terrain or during towing. The Z23 carbon fiber pads provide excellent bite and minimal dust, keeping my wheels cleaner for longer. The installation was straightforward, making it a great choice for any DIY enthusiast. Here's how I installed it. You just got to get your tools together. You'll need a jack stands, lug wrench, socket wrench, and some brake cleaner. You'll remove the wheels, so you'll raise up the vehicle, secure it on the stand, and remove the wheels. And then remove the old brake components, unbolt the caliper, hang it using a wire, and then remove the old brake pads and rotors. Once you do that, you're going to clean the new rotors with some brake cleaner and then install them. And then you're going to place the new pads in the caliper bracket and then reattach the caliper. Once you've done that, all you need to do is replace the wheel, lower the vehicle, and then repeat on the other side. So this kit has noticeably improved my braking experience, making it well worth the investment.